Welcome to Axion Auto, your go-to source for honest, in-depth, and forward-looking car reviews. If you're into ultra-luxury, next-level technology, and vehicles that truly shape the future of mobility, you're exactly where you need to be. Today we're looking at one of the most anticipated reveals of the year, the all-new 2026 to 27 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 680 SUV. This isn't just a facelift or an update. This is Mercedes completely redefining what ultra-luxury SUV travel means in the modern world. From the very first look, the 2026 Maybach GLS 680 commands attention with pure dominance wrapped in timeless elegance. The designers took the classic Maybach identity and turned it into something bold yet sophisticated. The front end features a taller, more sculpted vertical Maybach grille, now illuminated and perfectly blended with the latest digital LED matrix headlights. These lights are smarter than ever. They adapt instantly to road conditions, oncoming traffic, and even weather for maximum visibility and style. The hood has clean, purposeful creases that give it real presence without looking aggressive, while exclusive Maybach chrome touches and subtle badging remind everyone this is the top of the line. From the side, the proportions feel perfect. Longer wheelbase, smoother flowing lines, flush-fitting door handles, aerodynamic mirrors, and active air vents that all help with efficiency, stability, and near-silent cruising at high speeds. The rear carries a refined, full-width LED light signature that looks futuristic and instantly recognizable whether it's day or night. Every angle screams one thing clearly. This SUV is created for people who refuse to settle for anything less than the absolute best. Step inside, and the experience jumps to another level entirely. The cabin doesn't feel like a car. It feels like a private first-class lounge on wheels. Mercedes has used the finest sustainable luxury materials, hand-stitched Nappa leather alternatives, open-pore wood veneers, crystal-like controls, and 64-color ambient lighting that can shift based on time of day, mood, or even biometric data from the occupants. Road and wind noise are almost completely eliminated thanks to thicker acoustic glass, active noise cancellation, and intelligent vibration damping systems. The digital cockpit has been completely redesigned. A single massive curved OLED screen combines the driver display, central infotainment, and passenger screen into one seamless, ultra-high-resolution interface. It runs on the newest Mercedes MBUX system with advanced AI that learns your driving style, preferred routes, climate settings, seat positions, and even music choices over time, then adjusts everything automatically. Voice commands are now fully natural and conversational. You can speak normally and control almost every function without touching anything. Rear seat passengers get executive-level treatment. The individual rear seats offer full power recline, heating, ventilation, multi-mode massage functions, fold-out tables, refrigerated compartments, wireless charging, and twin high-resolution rear entertainment screens with Burmester 4D surround sound. Personalized climate zones, air fragrancing, and mood lighting make every trip feel custom-made. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach GLS 680 moves into the future without losing that signature Maybach smoothness. It features a refined twin-turbo V12 hybrid system that delivers massive power with instant torque, silent electric cruising, and noticeably better efficiency and lower emissions. The ride is on another level thanks to the latest e-active body control suspension with road scanning cameras that read the surface ahead and adjust each wheel in real time. The result is a magic carpet feel. City streets, highways, and rough patches all disappear under the tires. Safety and driver assistance are cutting edge. The latest Drive Pilot system includes enhanced adaptive cruise, lane centering, automatic lane changes, traffic-aware steering, and in certain conditions, high-level semi-autonomous driving. A full suite of cameras, radar, LiDAR, and AI continuously monitors everything around the vehicle to keep occupants and others safe. Connectivity is seamless and future-proof. Over-the-air updates bring new features, performance improvements, and security patches long after you take delivery. Full smartphone integration, cloud navigation, real-time traffic data, and remote control via the Mercedes app give you complete access from anywhere. In the end, the 2026-27 Mercedes-Maybach GLE S680 is built for people who expect perfection. It's for those who value time, comfort, and exclusivity above everything else. This SUV isn't about showing off. It's about intelligent, effortless luxury that feels years ahead of its time. The Mercedes-Maybach has once again raised the bar for what an ultra-luxury SUV can be. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Maybach GLE S680. Does it live up to the legend? If you enjoyed this deep review and want more no-nonsense breakdowns like this, hit that like button, subscribe to Axion Auto, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Until next time, drive smart, drive luxurious, and stay with Axion Auto.